Test Setup 1, 50 cells type 18650. The preheating time of the dummy cell is about 5 minutes until the first cells ignite. As you can clearly see, the first cells ignite with an explosive spread of flames. After 11 seconds, the fire was extinguished with the Gloria fire extinguisher WKL6PRO so that no more flames appeared or sparks were produced. The extinguishing process takes about 2 minutes until the batteries have cooled down completely. The extinguishing process is carried out intermittently from a professional fire chief. For the untrained or non-professional firefighter, the discharge time is about 60 seconds, which equals the pure spraying time of the WKL6PRO fire extinguisher. As you can clearly see, the smoke development decreases with each extinguishing attempt, and the temperature of the test setup is cooled down below the critical temperature, which prevents reignition. The test setup is left to stand for about 2 hours after the extinguishing test. No reignition took place during this time. Test Setup 2, 100 cells type 18650. The second test setup shows 100 cells of type 18650. Again, the preheating time is about 5 minutes until the first unit is in the ignition process. The second unit is fully engulfed in flames. In this test, we worked with 2 dummy cells to show the fire occurring in 2 places in a large battery. Again, intermittent extinguishing is carried out for about 2 to 2.5 minutes by the fire chief. The discharge time for the fully operated device is about 80 seconds. This allows a long spraying time even for an untrained person to cool down the battery and to bring the temperature below the critical range. This test setup was also left to stand for 2 hours and no reignition of the battery occurred.